Now we are inside the lair of the Titan. A lot of bats to kill. They're really annoying. At least they sound very annoying. Pull hidden treasure chests down here.
You do not have enough power to lift the fingers of the great Titan. You must free the Pegasus Brothers. It is your only passage to the Sisters of Fate.
And now we get to fight a couple guys while we're climbing on the wall. The easiest way to kill them is just press circle and grab them. And it makes very short work of them. Now we get to see a Minotaur for the first time. If you can, try to grab one of the bats in midair, and if you hit the Minotaur with a bat, it kills them almost instantly like that, or at least gives you the opportunity to grab them and brutally finish them off. And outside there's a couple more Minotaurs and some platforms that we have to destroy and some archers that are on top of platforms. So even though there's going to be some very big enemies chasing you down, you want to take out the platforms as quickly as possible. And when you throw the archers at the Minotaur, like I did with the bat before, it puts them in the it puts that circle above them, so you can kill them almost instantly. So it's a good idea to throw one bad guy at another every time you have the opportunity to.
God of War, you live.
I no longer walk with the gods. Who has placed you in this torment?
Zeus. My only crime was helping mankind. When I took the fires of Olympus to the mortals, Zeus considered it a betrayal. As punishment, he made me mortal and condemned me to be savagely consumed every day by this cursed bird. And then, with the fall of night, I am healed. How long have I been here? How long have I suffered this curse? I truly do not know. Please, Ghost of Sparta, release me from my torment! I must burn in the fires of Olympus. It is the only way. Kill me, Kratos, kill me.